In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block YouTube channels on the YouTube platform. YouTube didn't create an automatic setting for it, but I'm going to show you how you can go around it and reach out the support. Let's launch the YouTube first and let's look for account that we want to report. Let's say, for example, we want to report, we want to block the CNBC channel. Okay, we want to go on the channel itself. We're going to click on the upper right corner at the three dots, and then we have an option to hide user from my channel. Essentially what this will do is will not allow CNBC anymore to comment on my videos, but they're still going to be able to see my content, right? What's the point? They will be able to download my videos, or they will be able to essentially report or do other stuff on my channel. So what you can do is to click on the other option, which is essentially report user. If these options apply to your case, if some of these options apply to your case, don't make up the stuff, okay? Don't come up with the stories. If none of these options apply to your case, just click none of these are my issue. Then click next. Then you want you to scroll all the way down, and you want to reach the last left corner, which is help. You want to click on help, and over here you'll be able actually to chat with the actual support. So you click over here, contact us, on the last option, and you message them and you explain to them what is the issue. Why do you want to block this YouTube channel? What's the issue? They will be able to resolve the problem for you, no problem. This is how you block someone on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.